Clarizen's work management solution allows you to manage much more than just projects. You can collaborate with team members, manage your cases, and enter time and expense reports. Organizations looking to integrate their time tracking and expense reporting directly with their work using Clarizen have the ability to determine whether an approval process is required or if entered time and expense sheets will be approved automatically. Time and expense sheet modules are automatically enabled in Clarizen, but can be disabled in the Layout Manager in the settings. Once enabled, the expenses and time tracking sections in the system settings will allow you to determine whether to enable approvals and who can approve these items: direct managers, project managers, financial users, or a combination of these three. Once approvals are enabled, a new module will be added to the navigation panel called Approvals. At the top, you can select to view the time and expense sheets. Let's start with expense sheets. Expense approvals can contain custom views, including team-centric views such as this. Team-centric views allow you to view all expense sheets submitted by your team members, where My Team includes you and your colleagues. Or you can choose a specific group or project team. Selecting a user will display all expense sheets created by the selected team member, and you can filter the list to display only submitted sheets. Selecting an expense sheet will display all the related items, including each expense entry, with all the expense details. Clicking on the eye preview in an expense entry will allow you to see any related files, including attached receipts or other details. To approve expense sheets, simply select the relevant sheets and click Approve. Once expense sheets are approved, they will affect the actual cost and revenue of the related work item. These budgetary values will roll up into the hammock and project level, allowing for the true calculation of cost and revenue for each work item. Now let's move on to timesheet approvals. Timesheet approvals have two out-of-the-box views, including the user view, which shows all timesheets created by a specific user, and the customer and projects view, which shows timesheets for specific customers and projects created by specific users. These two views give you two different ways of looking at submitted time entries and allow you to approve either entire timesheets submitted by a user or a partial timesheet for a specific customer or project. To approve or reopen a timesheet, select it and click on the drop-down list to select the relevant option. To view the specific entries in a timesheet, simply select the timesheet and click on Go to Timesheet. This will allow you to review the specific entries and any added comments or details in custom fields. You can approve the timesheet directly from this screen by selecting the relevant time entries and selecting Approve from the Mark drop-down list. Alternatively, the entire timesheet can be approved by either selecting all rows or selecting no rows and clicking Approve. Once approved, time entries can affect the actual effort and progress of their related work items, depending on your organizational settings. To learn more about Clarizen, be sure to check out the other tutorials available in our training center and our Wiki help site. We also highly recommend signing up for one of our daily live beginner or advanced webinars, where one of our Clarizen experts can answer any of your questions. If you haven't tried out Clarizen yet, be sure to do so with our free 30-day trial. Thanks for your interest in Clarizen. See you back soon.